أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول
Now you have to know the ain kalima with kasra. Jalasa yajlisu tajlisu. Here the mudari as kasra in its ain kalima. Check. Yajlisu. In that case you will start with ijlis. Jalasa yajlisu ijlis. Wasala yaghsilu yghsil yaghsil, because there the kasra is there, so here also kasra should be there. Even if fatha is there, here kasra will be there. If dhamma is there, then dhamma will be there. So for kasra and fatha you start with kasra, and for dhamma you start with dhamma. That is the rule of deriving amr from mudari. Ijlisuna ya Bilalu. Sit down here, O Bilal. Yaghsil wajhaka bis-sabuni. Yaghsil wajhaka bis-sabuni. Wash your face with soap. Irji ba'da sa'atin. Return after an hour. Irji ba'da sa'atin. After 1 hour. Irji, return. Raja, irji'u, irji. Nazala yanzilu inzil. Get down from the car, O my brother. Inzil minas sayyarati ya akhi. قال الله تعالى لموسى عليه السلام اضرب بعصاك الحجر. Strike the stone with your stick. بعصاك الحجر, your stick. أنت تذهب. تذهب, idhab, idhab. Even fatha is there, you start with kasra only. Kasra is there, you start with kasra only. If dhamma is there, you start with dhamma. That is the rule. Iftah, open. Kitabaka ya Ibrahim, your book, O Ibrahim. Open your book, ya Ibrahim, O Ibrahim. Yefaz darsaka, memorize your lesson. Memorize your lesson. Iqra hada darsa, read this lesson. Read this lesson. Idhab ila al masjid, go to the masjid. Dhahaba yadhabu idhab, go. Irkab darrajataka, ride your bicycle. Irkab darrajataka, cycle. Rakiba yarkabu, yarkab, ride. La'iba yallabu, yallab, play. Play with your sister, O Ismail. Ishrab man baridan, drink cold water. Man baridan. Iqra ma'ili. Aina maktabul baridi ya akhi? Where is the post office, O my brother? Ana la adri, I don't know. Isal dhakar rajula, ask that man. Ana rajulun gharibun. Ana rajulun gharibun. I am a stranger man. I am a stranger. Ana rajulun gharibun. Gharibun means stranger. Here isal is the command. Isal is the command. Irfa rasaka, raise your head. Irfa rasaka. Irfa sautaka, raise your voice. Irfa sautaka. قال الله تعالى في القرآن اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. Read in the name of your Lord who created. قال الله تعالى لموسى عليه السلام اذهب إلى فرعون, go to Firaun. Go to Firaun. Call. اذهب أنت وأخوك, and said, go, you and your brother. Now there are exceptions. Taakulu, taakhudhu, both are exceptions. Here from taakulu you should not say ukul. Instead of that, kul means eat. The same way, anta taakhudhu, you should not say ukhud, you should say khud, take. Now, sughil amra min al afalil atiyati. Form the amr, derive the amr from the following verbs. Qatala, yaqutulu, you have to check. See the mudari. Forget this mazi because we are not going to use mazi for the derivation of amr. We are going to use only mudari. Check the mudari first. Yaqutulu. See here it is dhamma. Ain kalima has dhamma here. So you will start with uqutul. You will say uqutul and then put sukun here. Uqutul. Uqutul. Sukun here. Dhahaba yadhabu. Idhab. Dhahaba yadhabu. You have to check the muzari only. In yadhabu, see, ha has fatha. So if here if it has fatha or kasra, you will start with kasra. Idhab. Idhab means go. Jalasa yajlisu ijlis. Jalasa yajlisu ijlis. Sit. Fahima yafahamu yafaham. Understand. Fahima yafahamu yafaham. Understand. Hafiza yahfazu. See here it is fatha. So yahfaz means protect, save, memorize. Okay, it has several meanings. Sajada yasjudu usjud means do prostration, do sajda. Sajada yasjudu usjud. Usjud means do sajda. Raka yarkau yarka. Raka yarkau yarka. Do ruku. Shakara yashkuru ushkur. Shakara yashkuru ushkur means thank. Samiya yasma'u. Isma, listen. Isma means listen. Samiya yasma'u isma. Rafa yarfa'u. Irfa, raise. Darasa yadrusu. Dhamma is there. So start with dhamma. Udrus, study. Alima ya'alamu. Ya'lam, know. Ya'lam means to know. Ya'lam, it is command actually, no. Shariba yashrabu, ishrab. Shariba yashrabu, ishrab, drink. Halaqa yahliku, yahlik, shave. Kasara yaksiru, iksir, break. Ghasala yaghsilu, yaghsil, wash. Tabakha yatubukhu, utubukh, because dhamma is there. Start with pesh. Dhamma. Utbukh. Tabakha. Yatbukhu. Utbukh. Cook. Qata yaqta'u. Yaqta'. Cut. Jama yajma'u. Ijma. Gather. Collect. Abada ya'budu. Dhamma is there. Ubud. Ubud. Nazala yanzilu kasra inzil. Arafa ya'rifu yarif. Nazala yanzilu means get down. Arafa ya'rifu to know. Yarif no. Akala yakulu kul. Fala yafalu yifal. Fala yafalu yifal, do. Fataha yaftahu yiftah, open. Dwaraba yadribu, kasra is there, idrib. Kataba yaktubu. Dhamma is there, start with dhamma. Uktub. Kataba yaktubu, uktub. Sa'ala yas'alu, is'al. Sa'ala yas'alu, is'al. Mana yamna'u, imna. Mana yamna'u, forbid. Imna, forbid. Dhahika yadhaku, yadhak, laugh. Rakiba yarkabu, irkab, ride. Akhada ya'khudu, khudh, take.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد